Hello, this is Mr. Roberts. This is a flip chart that we will be using in class for Unit 4, Week 3, Day 1. The story that we will be looking at this week is A Growing Interest, and it's actually an article from Time for Kids, and it addresses these different things for language arts: reading comprehension, vocabulary, spelling and phonics, and grammar. The focus question is, why is it a good idea for people to work with others to solve problems? We've been talking a lot about working as a team this unit. So for the past 2 weeks, that's what we've been talking about, working as a team and what unique abilities people in groups have. So we'll go to the next slide. Our reading comprehension topic that we'll be looking at this week is problem and solution. You will see this come home with the homeschool connection. I would like the students to do that with their parents if they possibly can. Just go through this. It gives you a problem, it gives you some clues, you fill in this little chart, and then you figure out what the solution is. Next thing, we will be doing this in class. We will be reading this. It talks about a couple of their vocabulary words that they have this week, but it has a problem in here, so we're going to address what the problem is and also what the solution is. If you would like a copy of this, I can also get copies for parents if they would like to go over it again with their students. Again, here are the vocabulary words. We have utilize, awareness, pollution, and emphasize. I have a PowerPoint that we will be going over for that, and also each of the words on cards, and we're going to make this vocabulary cube today that they will bring home they can use for a game, so it helps them with these words, hopefully. Here are their spelling words: taught, caused, bought, drawing, squawk, balls, yarn, lawn, hawks, paused, salt, coughing, halls, crawled. I hope that each of the students are practicing these words at home. I will send home a pre-test that I would like the students to go over with each of the parents. Hopefully you will be able to do that with your students. Also, grammar this week. We're talking about contractions. For example, the boys weren't in school last week, so weren't becomes were not. And so we have a few activities to go over with the students with this topic. And then, of course, we have some writing, and I haven't exactly decided what we're doing for writing today. They will be writing in their writer's notebook. This little video is just for parents and students information, kind of review what we're talking about this week. So make sure that you look at this, students. Make sure you know your spelling words. Make sure you know your vocabulary words. Make sure that you know that we're talking about problem and solution, and also contractions. And be thinking about this, our focus question: why is it a good idea for people to work with others to solve problems? That's the end of this little presentation. Hopefully I'll have a few more of these this week for parents and for students to review the concepts that we're going over in class.